What is up, guys? Welcome back to another CMA video, and I'm going to show you guys how to use Canva. So you just have to go in the Canva app. From there on, you guys can make anything you guys want. Anything, like, for example, you can pick YouTube thumbnail, YouTube channel, or whatever, Facebook, anything, Facebook cover, Instagram story, whatever, anything you guys want. Social media, especially. So I'm going to be showing you guys an example. So for suppose this. So here, so I'm gonna show you guys this, and we can edit it and stuff like that. See, look like that. We can edit the text. We can do anything like that. See, you can edit the text. You can add text. You just have to go to text, add heading, subheading, whatever you guys want, like that. That's how you add text. And if you guys want to add pictures, you can upload an image. Click on the upload an image. You can either take a picture like that, do it, or you could go back into it and take from a photo library, or you can search browse. So see, like, I'll show you one way. You can press on. You just have to press that, and once the image appears there, you just have to press on it, and then it'll automatically appear. So you can crop it like that. You can make it smaller, bigger, like for example this, smaller or bigger. See, like that. You can make it smaller or bigger, like that. And you guys can also replace a background or templates, like that. See, boom, you can replace templates. You guys can do anything, and they are there. You can change it. And if you guys want to prepare your design, press the download button in the middle of the share button and the add people button. So that's how you guys do it. Make sure to subscribe, turn on your notifications, and